right, little man, are you ready? Do you have your scrubber in hand? Okay, let's get ready to go. This car wash is Blue Wave. He's gonna spray us first. Yay, we're gonna get sprayed. Are you ready? Awesome.
Don't get smiles.
Don't get smiles? Okay. Let's get ready. I hear the scrubber working behind me.
Behind you?
Yeah, are you working that scrubber? Here comes our water. And here's some soap.
It's okay.
All right, here comes a big scrubber. Are you working your scrubber?
Don't get smiles.
Oh, I gotta get the car wash? All right, here comes the scrubbers. All right. Uh-oh. There we go, just in time. I think we might need a final rinse. Come those big dryers. Outstanding. Was that a good car wash? Awesome. High five? No high five for the car wash?